Hey guys, as we get settled here into Chiang Mai, we heard word of an awesome day trip that we could take. So we're going to hop on the motorbike and head an hour north and head to Sticky Falls. It's a 3-tiered waterfall that you can climb up and down. We got our swimsuits on, so we're planning to get wet, but we heard it's also very scenic, a lot of viewpoints, so we're excited. It is the farthest we've gone on a motorbike, so hopefully we can make it there. And it's a little cloudy and rainy today, but hopefully the weather holds up for us. But we're looking forward to it, so we'll catch you when we get to Sticky Falls. Here we go, we're walking down to the Sticky Waterfalls, also known as the Bua Tong Waterfalls. So we're getting excited. I don't know if you can see it yet or not, but there's a sign that says warning snakes. We've heard rumors that there's been sightings of a cobra here once, and then also maybe some pit vipers, but other than that, normally people don't see them. But it gives you a little scare, a little goosebumps as we're going down. But we're excited. Waterfalls over here. And we're going to climb on up. We'll see you at the top. We've made it up our second waterfall. This is really neat. The water is a lot warmer than we thought it would be. It's almost like bath water. There's a few slick spots, but it's actually not too bad. So yeah, pretty safe compared to what I thought it'd be climbing up. They have ropes to help you. And so we're gonna head up our last waterfall, I believe. Here we go. Terry's about to go for it. But overall, this is a really fun experience. Really cool. What'd you think?
That's good. Would have felt a little bit nicer on a warm day, but it's still really warm.
Yeah, it's a little cloudy today, so the sun's not out. But so maybe when the sun's out, it's a little bit nicer, but the water is still really warm, which is nice.
What do you have to say?
I'm attempting going down the waterfall now. It's a little more dangerous.
And it's raining.
But it's a little more fun. And it's starting to rain. Alright, we just got done with Bua Tong Waterfalls, also known as Sticky Falls. We learned there's a lot of limestone and mineral deposits in the water, and the limestone, when it is on the rock, it actually makes it less slippery. And that's why they have the name Sticky Falls. And you actually have good traction out there when you're climbing up the waterfalls. So it was pretty neat. We really enjoyed it. It's a great place for a family. If you have younger kids, just be careful when you bring them. It can be a little dangerous. We had a few falls ourselves, but we really enjoyed it. There's also picnic areas, camping areas, and a place with restaurants. And so Terry and I are actually going to go check that out, maybe get some food or a snack. Overall, this is a great place just outside of Chiang Mai, about an hour north, and we might come back with some friends. We really enjoyed it. inside the concession, and we are just baffled by the strangest Lay's potato chip flavors. We have spicy lobster. We also have Miacam Combros flavor, hot chili squid flavor,
Spicy smoked.
nori seaweed flavor,
Did you get spicy smoked?
spicy smoked cheese flavor. Who knew? Who knew?